Oh, hey, y'all. Did you think I fell off the face of the planet as far as doing makeup is concerned? I've been vlogging so much. Are you enjoying the vlogs? Vlogs, not blogs. I do not have a blog. I just vlog, video blog. I guess that's what that means. But anyway, y'all remember when I taught y'all about a Thompson Chain Reference Bible, by the way? Do you know I went to find some to see if I could use it for my next giveaway, because one of my subscribers said you can no longer get it. I thought, that can't be true. Bless his heart. He don't know. And so I guess he reads the Thompson Chain Reference Bible, or likes to research Bibles, or maybe there's every time that hashtag's used, it gets his attention. I don't know. I don't know how he came about my channel, but I'm so glad you're here. I found the last one, and I'm not exaggerating. There was none but this one. It is a hard copy. This is what they look like. Well, this is what I don't even remember like it. This is what it looks like. Hard copy. That's what mine originally looked like. I should show you them next to each other. But, because mine's all held together with shipping tape. But anyway, this was the cover, and maybe that's why it looks good. It doesn't actually look used, and I think it was touted as not being used. I also have it in a leatherback form that I got years and years ago, but he's right, you can't get these anymore, so I'm not going to encourage you to go and buy these. I'm trying to think what I'm going to do with that one, because I have two. I may have three. I may have the mini, too. I think also a little one. Anyway, loved the Bible when I first got it, so I think I did buy several of them. But anyway, now the collector's item. Do you know one of them was $400? That's just wrong. But then the giveaway that I'm doing was a $150 Bible, the She Reads Truth, but it's because it's real leather. Some of the ones that say say leather, they're what do you call it, leather? It's where they patch pieces together. Not genuine leather, but something leather. Anyway, I'm not a leather expert. But, how are y'all doing? We need to have a cup of coffee together. Oh my gosh, that's so good. One of you said I make coffee look good. Well, my goodness. So I thought I'd start showing you the coffee of the day. This is Newman's own, Newman's Special Organic Blend. And I'm going to put it next to my face so it will focus for you. Trying to get the shine off it so you can read it. It's Newman's own. He has really good coffee. He's fair trade certified, so that's important. All profits, not a portion, all profits go to charity. That's reason enough to buy from him. Well, actually, he is no longer living, but whoever's running it, I don't know who's running it because his wife isn't living either. Medium roast coffee, and it's USDA organic, and it is delicious. It's very rich, nice aroma when it blooms, when it brews. It blooms. So that's my coffee for the day. All right. So what did I want to talk to you about today? Well, I know I labeled it probably. I don't know what I'm gonna label it. Probably about Charlotte Tilbury's new face palette. But before I get into that, I would like to say, because I have been out of my Chanel base and I'm waiting for it to ship, I've been using the CoverGirl and Olay. And do you know what I found? You really and truly don't need. Now this is a 2-in-1 Total Rehab. It's got a foundation base and then it's also got a serum. But the serum must be so moisturizing. I don't need moisturizer with this. And serums aren't typically moisturizers, so I don't know why that is. But I think if I put moisturizer under this, it would be way too thick. So what I'm saying is, I think this is good. And I use Classic Ivory, which is number 110. And see how they swirl? See the little swirls in the side? They swirl the product together. So Olay has their product, and CoverGirl has their product, and it's equal. They're both getting extra money. Y'all, I just realized my nails look so, my fingertips look so dry and gross. I'm sorry. They're still healing. I need to get some lotion on them. I know, right? It's been, what, 3 weeks? Is it? I don't know, but you know. Okay. costing me to paint them. As long as I have painted them. I've used Chanel. I need to check out Chanel's ingredients because, y'all, it has not bothered me at all to wear the Chanel polish. I think one time I wore some OPI over it. I don't know if I had a reaction or not. I know that someone said it's that and Sally Hansen both have toluene and formaldehyde and all the terrible things, and I don't know if it does or not. Read your ingredients, and both Pacifica and Mineral Fusion, which you can get at Fresh Market, I think. I know you can get it at Sprouts. Pacifica has a website. Anyway, but I've been using my Chanel, and it has not caused it to break out again. Yeah. But they're very dry. And one thing the dermatologist said is keep them moisturized. So as soon as I quit filming, I'm going to go put some lotion on. But anyway, I just want to tell you all about that. So what am I telling y'all about? Well, Charlotte Tilbury has these face palettes. They're called Instant Look in a Palette, meaning you can have a whole look from this one palette, and it's true. This one is called Smoky Eye Beauty, and I have the other ones. Seductive Beauty is my favorite. Again, I hate the names, but it has the colors I like the most. Now, I have to tell you, I like this one a lot. Okay, so here's what it looks like. First of all, it's got huge mirrors. So when you're getting ready and you need to use the back of your hair, look at the back of your hair, which, by the way, ladies, always check the back of your hair before you leave. I see so many ladies walk through the hall and their hair is just split from where they slept, and they brush the front and they failed to go back, like from the crown down, and pull that hair together. And we should have each other's back. Say, girl, let me fix your hair. But some people will be offended. So that's why sometimes we don't have each other's back. But anyway. So it's got a great mirror, and in this little corner she's got her little star. She likes a little star. And so I'm going to do this upside down so it doesn't flash you. So this is upside down. But she always does 3 eye colors. She does a highlight, which this one, does it say brighten? Okay. What she calls the highlight is brighten. The crease to brow is what I call a transition color. She calls the enhance. And what I would call the crease color and outer V is called smoke. Oh well. Then she always has a face bronzer in it, and she always has the 2 swish and pop cheek colors in the middle. And she always has a highlighter. So, and you could use a highlighter for your inner corner and under your brow besides this one. So that's a little more yellow gold toned. This is a little more peach champagne toned. This is a perfect color. That is the most perfect color, transition color. The only thing I don't like, I wish this was a little more pink, and I wish this wasn't so black. It's like it's your basic black. So I will do differently than one of these. These are my other, I think I have, is there 3 or 4? Okay, so this is Beauty Glow to compare to. I'll just show you, they're significantly different. This is all bronzy, kind of copper tones, and it's called Beauty Glow. And again, this new one is called Smoky Eye. So you can see Smoky Eye Beauty is this one. So you can see a significant difference even in the highlighters. Look how yellowy this one is. Okay, so that's that one. And then my favorite, oh, this is Natural Beauty. It's another new one I got. So there is 4. Where is my other one? My favorite? Where's my favorite? Oh my gosh, where's my favorite? There it is. It's on top shelf. Alright. This is the Beauty Naturelle, and I'll tell you about this one. It's very naturelle. It's a little more pink toned blush. So I'll put that next to the new one. But the brown almost isn't dark enough for me. Look at the huge difference in coloring in that one. So this is the Beauty Naturelle. So if you want a super duper natural look, this is it. And then my favorite, which is somewhere in between, is Seductive Beauty. Yeah, you can tell because I've hit pan on the highlighter. This is a little more my colors, I think. Yeah, I love this one. So first of all, let me show you the difference in that and Beauty Glow. This is Seductive Beauty. This is Beauty Glow. You can see this is a more coppery tone. It's got more brown to it. And this one, I'm just going to do face and palette comparisons is what I'll call this because I'm comparing all 4 of them. This one's super duper natural compared to this one. It's too light. Unless I just want a super light look, which is a rare thing for me. And when you compare this to the new one, The new one and this one are my favorites. These two are more similar, except that this dark corner down here is black. But I can work with that. The blushes, this has got a little more color to it than this. This is almost more contoury. So, again, my favorite is this one. And it is Seductive Beauty. If you like a super duper natural look, it's this one. And it is called Natural Beauty. And if you like kind of a bronzy look, you would love this one. This is Beauty Glow. Very bronzy. And we'll just set those over there. So today we're going to use the new one. Okay. After I have a sip of coffee. Now I've already put on my CoverGirl Linoleum. That's what I have on. I also did a liner, which makes no sense at all. For those of you who go, why do you do that? Some of y'all just can be mean. Don't be mean. Be nice. Be nice. I am a little sweaty under these lights, even though my husband insists they don't give off heat. Because they're LED. Whatever. No, he's not going to make a caveat. He's downstairs. I know some of y'all just love him. I don't blame you. I do too. But anyway, he's fine. Be good girls. Alright. Okay, so we're going to start with a highlighter. And so I am going to use a E55 shader. These are Sigma brushes. Y'all know it is my fave. So that's what it looks like. Bye, darling! Bye-bye! 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 We started doing my little, yeah. Y'all, for those of you who don't know, do y'all know why I started doing that? Just saying bye, bye-bye, 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 and it's kind of become my trademark now. I got to get my bangs out of the way. For those of you who say, why did you pull your hair back? I do pull it over. Calm down. Be nice. Under the brow. By the way, look how good the brow looks with this pencil. Is that just fantastic? Look at that. That is the Almay Eye Intense color, and it's in a dark purple. I don't know if you can tell, because, by the way, this is definitely going into 2 videos.